Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can record screencasts with Chrome. These screencasts aren't going to be limited to just a tab in Chrome. Instead, you can use your Chrome browser to record your entire screen if you need to. Visit the Chrome Web Store and install the Aperture Simple Screen Video Recorder extension. The extension has 3 recording modes: full screen recording, app window, or a particular tab. Click the extension's icon next to the URL bar and you'll see this window. Select what you want to record, and I'm going to go with record your entire screen, and then click the share button to start recording. The extension is going to be sharing your screen anywhere, so don't worry about the label of the button. It's really just to start the recording. To stop the recording, you need to click stop sharing. And once the recording is complete, the extension needs to finalize it, and then when it does that, it's going to open a new tab where you can watch the recording and save it. If you want to watch it right away, you can click the extension icon after completing a recording and you'll be able to see it live as it's compiled. And by default, the video is saved in the WebM format, and this isn't a commonly supported format in popular video editors. So it also supports saving to MP4, which is what you need to do if you intend to edit the screencast later on. The extension can record in normal, high, or best quality, and there's no low quality setting that you can choose. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.